Deep within the eucalyptus forests of Australia, a flash of white catches the eye. A raucous call pierces the air, echoing through the trees. It is the sulphur-crested cockatoo, a bird as striking in appearance as it is in personality. These intelligent creatures, with their vibrant plumage and playful demeanor, have captivated the hearts of many. This essay delves into the world of these remarkable parrots, exploring their unique characteristics, behaviors, and the challenges they face in an ever-changing environment. These birds are a vital part of the Australian landscape. They're a symbol of the country's unique biodiversity. Their presence enriches the forests and woodlands they call home. Join me as we uncover the fascinating world of the sulphur-crested cockatoo. Their intelligence and adaptability are truly remarkable. They have learned to thrive in a variety of habitats. Their ability to solve problems and mimic sounds is a testament to their cognitive abilities. The sulphur-crested cockatoo is instantly recognizable. Its white plumage gleams against the backdrop of green foliage. The most distinctive feature is undoubtedly its bright yellow crest. This erectile crest, a cluster of feathers on the top of its head, is a key communication tool. It can be raised or lowered depending on the bird's mood. When excited or alarmed, the crest stands tall, a vibrant signal visible from afar. Measuring between 44 and 60 centimeters in length, these birds are among the larger parrot species. Their powerful beaks, designed for cracking nuts and seeds, are another notable feature. These beaks are strong enough to open the toughest seed pods. The cockatoo's feet, zygodactyl in nature, are equally impressive. They have 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backward, providing a strong grip for climbing and manipulating objects. These physical adaptations equip the sulphur-crested cockatoo for a life in the trees. Their striking appearance, a combination of white, yellow, and subtle hints of black under their wings, makes them a true spectacle of the Australian wilderness. The sulphur-crested cockatoo is endemic to Australia and parts of New Guinea. They are highly adaptable birds. They thrive in a variety of habitats, from dense forests and woodlands to open savannas and even suburban parks. Their presence is particularly notable in areas with eucalyptus trees, which provide a vital food source. These birds are not confined to pristine environments. They have demonstrated a remarkable ability to adapt to human-modified landscapes. It is not uncommon to find them in agricultural areas and even urban parks. Their adaptability speaks to their resilience and intelligence. While they are generally widespread and abundant, certain subspecies face localized threats. Their presence in urban environments highlights the importance of preserving green spaces within cities. These spaces provide refuge for wildlife. They also offer opportunities for people to connect with nature. The sulphur-crested cockatoo is renowned for its intelligence and complex social interactions. They are highly gregarious birds, living in flocks that can number in the hundreds. Within these flocks, intricate social hierarchies exist. These hierarchies are maintained through a complex system of vocalizations and displays. Their intelligence is evident in their problem-solving abilities. They have been observed using tools to extract food. For example, they will use sticks to pry open seed pods. They're also adept at mimicking sounds. This includes human speech, which endears them to many. Their playful nature is often on display. They engage in aerial acrobatics and mock battles, demonstrating their agility and social bonds. These interactions highlight the importance of social learning in these birds. They learn from each other, passing down knowledge and skills across generations. This ability to learn and adapt is key to their survival in a changing world. The sulphur-crested cockatoo boasts a diverse diet. They are primarily herbivorous. Seeds, nuts, and fruits form the bulk of their diet. Eucalyptus seeds and nuts are a particular favorite, especially during certain seasons. Their powerful beaks are perfectly adapted for cracking open even the toughest seed pods. They will also readily consume other plant matter, including flowers, buds, and roots. While plant matter constitutes the majority of their diet, they are opportunistic omnivores. They will supplement their diet with insects and larvae. This is particularly important during the breeding season. They need to provide extra protein for their growing chicks. Their foraging habits play a crucial role in seed dispersal. By consuming and dispersing seeds, they contribute to the health and regeneration of their forest ecosystems. However, this adaptability can also bring them into conflict with humans. They may raid crops if their natural food sources are scarce. Section 6. A chorus of calls cracking the cockatoo's language. The sulphur-crested cockatoo is highly vocal. Its calls are an integral part of the Australian soundscape. These calls are not merely random noises, they are complex vocalizations that convey a range of information. From contact calls to alarm signals, each vocalization serves a specific purpose. The iconic cockatoo screech, often heard echoing through the trees, is a long-distance contact call. It helps maintain flock cohesion. In addition to vocalizations, they use body language to communicate. The raising and lowering of their yellow crest is a prime example. A raised crest signals alertness or aggression. A lowered crest indicates submission or fear. They also use wing flapping, head bobbing, and feather ruffling to communicate with each other. Understanding their complex communication system provides valuable insights into their social structures and behaviors. By deciphering their language, we can gain a deeper appreciation for their intelligence and social complexity. Section 7. Family matters, nesting, raising young, and a long life. The breeding season for sulphur-crested cockatoos typically occurs during the warmer months. They are monogamous birds. They form strong pair bonds that can last for many years. Nesting sites are chosen carefully, usually in the hollows of large eucalyptus trees. These cavities provide protection from predators and the elements. Both parents participate in nest preparation, egg incubation, and chick rearing. The female typically lays 2 to 3 eggs. The incubation period lasts around 25 days. Once hatched, the chicks are completely dependent on their parents for food and warmth. The parents share the responsibility of feeding and caring for their offspring. The young birds fledge at around 12 weeks of age. However, they remain dependent on their parents for several months. Sulphur-crested cockatoos are long-lived birds. They can live for 40 to 70 years in the wild. This longevity makes them particularly vulnerable to habitat loss and other threats. Their slow reproductive rate means that populations can take a long time to recover from declines. Section 8. Living alongside humans, a complex relationship. The sulphur-crested cockatoo's intelligence and adaptability have allowed it to thrive in close proximity to humans. However, this close coexistence has also led to conflicts. Their tendency to raid crops, particularly when natural food sources are scarce, can bring them into conflict with farmers. Their loud calls, while a natural part of their communication, can also be a source of noise complaints in urban areas. Despite these challenges, they are protected under Australian law. It is illegal to harm or capture them without a permit. They are popular aviary birds. Their intelligence and playful nature make them engaging companions. However, owning a cockatoo is a significant responsibility. They require specialized care and attention. Finding a balance between the needs of these birds and the needs of humans is crucial for their long-term survival. Education and understanding play a vital role in fostering this coexistence. Section 9. The sulphur-crested cockatoo, a call for conservation and understanding. The sulphur-crested cockatoo, with its striking plumage and captivating personality, is a true icon of the Australian wilderness. Their intelligence, adaptability, and complex social interactions make them a source of endless fascination for researchers and bird enthusiasts alike. However, like many species, they face challenges. Habitat loss, climate change, and human-wildlife conflict threaten their populations. Conservation efforts are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of these remarkable birds. Protecting their natural habitats, particularly old-growth forests with suitable nesting hollows, is paramount. Educating the public about the importance of coexisting with wildlife is equally important. By understanding the needs of these birds and appreciating their vital role in the ecosystem, we can help ensure that the iconic call of the sulphur-crested cockatoo continues to resonate through the Australian landscape for generations to come. Their story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. It is a call to action to protect the natural world that sustains us all. Let us ensure that these intelligent and charismatic creatures continue to grace our planet with their presence.